Welcome to the Appliance Boss channel.
What's up? It's your boy Marcus the Money Man, the Appliance Boss. All right, we started today already. And I tell you, I felt like I was on pace yesterday doing some things, and I actually started listing out all the stuff that we got to do. And we off target a little bit right now. We still got to do the Google listing, right? So hopefully today we're going to get possession of the office so we can start that process. And, quite frankly, at this point, we could probably wait till next week for that. Because there's a sequence of things that I want to do before I even get to the Google business. So we already got the website launched, but there's some other things that we want to do. We want to launch Bing first. We want to launch the Yelp first. We want to be indexed first. We want to do a whole bunch of other different things first before we launch the Google site. However, we still got to do the appliance license. So we'll get that paperwork processed today. But in order to, after we get the appliance license, we want to be able to apply for warranty companies. Okay. So local business license. So even though that's important, that's typically one of the last things that we do that's on the list as far as priority, right? So, but we can get it done. And then also we want to start getting our marketing materials printed. So the key is we're waiting for the office address. So that way we can have our office address printed on the cards, printed on the handouts. So that way when we do our Google verification, if they want to see that material, we can have it ready to go. So we got to do our statement of information. We filed with the state of California, but then you also have to file about your business, who are the owners, etc. And then we're going to do UPS mailbox. That's key. You want to have a UPS mailbox for alternative shipping because they hold on to your packages. Right. We're in the service industry. Everybody won't be at the office all the time, but if you have a designated spot to ship something through, it works with logistics, and what they charge per month, definitely worth it for that 7-day-a-week coverage. We got to get our payroll processing and workers' comp in place. So I put this request out. It's been over a week right now, and I haven't heard back anything from the company. So done with that. Going to go to another company. We'll do paychecks. That was recommended for me from last week from the group. But we got to set up our bank accounts, and then we got to get our iWallet set up as well. So the key thing about the bank accounts and iWallet is you got to have a bank account specifically for these transactions that we're going to be taking in Modesto, right? And then you want to coordinate that with an iWallet account that's linked directly there to that particular account. It works really well in tracking our revenue coming in, so that way we can determine just from a cash flow perspective how that's flowing in, and it matches up really well in QuickBooks. So it's no like rhyme or reason should you have multiple iWallet accounts or not. What we do is we just send over the form. You have to file the form specifically for that independent bank account. Then once it's active, you you add your users in to the system, and then once that's correct, whatever users you want to be able to show across multiple iWallet accounts, you just send it over to them, and they link those particular users to whatever accounts. Okay, so the reason why we like iWallet is for our technicians, when they go out, they can actually receive tips. So we had one gentleman last month. He received over $200 in tips, and he's pretty consistent with getting tips each month, and that's just part of his income stream. So I want to make it available because we go out, we do a good job, and if they're collecting tips, it makes it really easy in iWallet for them to be able to receive some tips. So we'll do that. We'll put that in place. And that's what I got going on this morning. Man, I tell you, we're going to start. We got to get some coffee in us, some more coffee. And we're probably going to shoot a video this morning too. So be on the lookout for that.
It looks different though, doesn't it?
It does. What do you guys think about that?
Yeah.
Hey, Mike with Zip Plumbing, Bakersfield's highest rated plumbing company. With over 1,100 real customer reviews and a 4.9 rating, we strive to give our customers the best experience possible. So if you have any plumbing issues,
give Zip a call.
Get it fixed by Zip.
The fastest tools in town.
All right.
I'm gonna do it one more time. You gotta say it a little louder, bud.
Pretty good traction from the Modesto office. So just do a quick update before that. So we got the keys today. So Jason got the keys today. We got the power. Kind of set up the same way with the Bakersfield Go High Level. Okay. Yeah, so, I guess it's ready. And yes, not unless it's signed that will give me more images that I'll have to improve.
So this is the update. Today went by in a whirlwind. So we ended up driving the vehicles, the new ones that we got yesterday, over, and had a impromptu design session right there. So we got the new logo on there, but it was feeling a little empty, so we added some water drops and some other stuff in there, so y'all will see it. But man, we got that going, got that done, came back. We had to plot out the schedule for the actual training week. So we got new employees starting next Tuesday, so right after the holiday. So we have to train them. We have to be organized. So it throws everything off a little bit because normally we start on Mondays. So we're starting on a Tuesday right now. Man, I'm sitting there thinking like, man, should we have just waited? But whatever. We gonna go ahead and get this thing going. Because 4 days, it kind of short a little bit. So we'll be trying to squeeze stuff in. Hopefully everybody shows up. Good thing is the holiday. Usually we're not fast. We're not too super busy. I guess it really wouldn't matter anyway. It's just me and Jake for the first day. And then we'll pull in others into the training session throughout. So we'll have Julie involved, involved. Right, because we were bringing in 3 technicians and the new business manager at the same time. So we're officially at 4 starting. So that'll be quite interesting. As a matter of fact, this will be the most starting at one time ever. I've had scheduled 3 one time, 2 people showed. Normally I have 2s going in, so this will be kind of interesting. So we're able to at least hash out. So we got a 6-week full game plan. We nailed out solid the first 3 weeks, but we got some details we got to work out about week 2. So obviously we got to have room, space, accommodations, make sure all that stuff is ready to go, detailed out. Especially since some of them, they'll be far away from home. So I want to make sure everybody is comfortable as possible. So we'll do our normal Airbnb. So I'll go try to book that this evening and reserve that spot for us. So it's a nice little spot over there, 3 bedrooms, pool. So everybody should be happy with that cozy spot. Good neighborhood too. But man, met with Christian. We did our thing, talked about the website, some of the update stuff. Some of the Synergy stuff too. So if you guys have a Synergy account, a lot of new updates are coming. Some things that we should have probably already had in there that was overlooked to start out, but we're getting those things situated so we can prioritize getting those things added. But man, just overall real good. I still got work to do today, so I don't know if we're gonna continue the video because I've just been overwhelmed with stuff. So I got some paperwork to do. I got to prep for the bookkeeper tomorrow. I gotta go to the dentist too in the morning, so that's throwing a wrench. And then also too, the financing. I was trying to get financing for the 3rd vehicle. That stuff still hasn't gone through yet. I called back with them. They're like, they're still looking at stuff. I'm like, what are they looking at? Did you forget? But man, if I don't get that, if that didn't go through tomorrow, so I'll give them to about 1-2 o'clock. If that didn't go through, I'm just gonna go cut a check and get the vehicle because I need that. You can't have a business if you don't got a vehicle. So I don't want to cut the check, but if I gotta cut the check, we'll cut the check. So hey, other than that, we'll see.